Welcome to this instructional video about design thinking. My name is Bill Dresselhaus, and the topic for this video is Design Thinking Discovery. This video provides a set of discovery research tools and methods that can be used for one's project research to discover human needs and insights. One is encouraged to use a number of these, if not all of them, for optimum success. A key method in design research is called root need analysis or root cause analysis. It simply means looking at a particular human need and seeing past and behind it to find out if there isn't a more fundamental need or cause instead of what may be too obvious or only a symptom. This list gives some examples of this. The so-called 6 W's can be very valuable in developing nearly all of the following discovery research tools and methods. Answering these one-word questions can lead to a number of human needs and insights. The most powerful discovery research tool is observation, simply observing and seeing what people do and have problems with to discover needs and insights. The following slide gives some examples of observational discovery research tools. A discovery research tool for observation that can be very beneficial is so-called shadowing, or following a user around as their so-called human shadow. Some of the possibilities are listed here. Anytime some form of observation is done on people, there is a risk that the observed subjects will modify their behavior if they are aware of the observation. Thus, it is important to avoid this if possible. This can be done by instruction of the observers or by observing as undetected as possible. Using visuals while doing discovery research interviews can be extremely beneficial. Just talking and explaining with words can often lead to misunderstandings. Using some of the visual tools listed here can be very productive in clarifying questions, needs, and insights. A common mode of discovery research is the interview. These are done with individuals or groups, and the questions should be appropriately planned ahead depending on the objectives and goals of the project. Here listed are a number of suggestions and possibilities for various kinds and topics of interviews. Individual interviews are a most common type. It is important to properly select the people that are interviewed. Other issues regarding personal interviews are listed here. Interviews can also be done in groups as long as they are not too large. It is important to select the members of the group according to project objectives and goals. This lists a number of those possible issues. Interviewing and questioning experts in a project area can be very valuable since they will give a deep understanding of needs and problems. However, being experts, they may well know too much and have a quite biased view or tunnel vision. Proper interpretation of their responses is important. Questionnaires are an important discovery research tool that can be used as handouts, in surveys and interviews, and online. However, creating good questions is a challenge since improperly designed questions can lead to biased responses. If at all possible, one should try to quantify design research. This can be done with questionnaires and surveys with, say, using a 5-star or 1 to 5 rating system for certain issues. If research information can be quantified, then it can be presented in charts, graphs, and diagrams visually. It is also important to interview and interact outside of the project area and with outsiders, outliers, and mavericks. Often these people have interesting and invaluable insights into a project. So-called sacrificial concepts can be used in creating what if or what do you think response scenarios to draw needs and insights from an audience. They can be completely disconnected from the project and even quite imaginary. Personas are somewhat controversial. Some feel they focus attention too much on a specific user, customer, or stakeholder category, while others feel they provide a more concrete perception of a user, customer, or stakeholder. The website provided here gives a very comprehensive, thorough explanation for developing personas. Finally, it is important to always keep in mind that the real objective of the design thinking research phase is to discover real human-centered needs, insights, and root causes that need resolving. Unless that is done diligently and thoroughly, a project may fail. Thank you for watching this video on design thinking. Have a great design day.